To add and customize colors in your Squarespace website, follow these steps to enhance your site's design and make it visually appealing. Log into your Squarespace account. Go to your Squarespace website dashboard. Access the design panel. In the left-hand menu, click on Design to open design options. Choose a style or template. If you haven't already chosen a template, select one. You can edit the color settings later, regardless of the template you choose. Navigate to the color settings. In the design menu, click on Colors. This opens the color customization panel. Edit color palette. Squarespace provides a set of pre-designed color palettes to choose from. You can either choose one or customize your own. To customize, click on the color box for various elements and select your desired color. You can enter specific hex codes if you want precise colors. Apply colors. After selecting colors, your changes will apply across your site. Preview them to ensure everything looks great. Save your changes. Once you're satisfied with the colors, click Save to apply the changes to your site.